A good example of the conundrum these trees present can be found at the University of California in San Diego. Here, the 220,000 trees are an iconic and venerated part of the university landscape. However, in 1984, a beetle called the Eucalyptus longhorned borer, which is native to Australia, was introduced and began an infestation of the trees at the university. No one is sure how they got there, whether they were introduced intentionally or accidentally. But they very rapidly started killing trees. In the 1980s and 90s, hundreds of the trees died. But then in 1992, scientists in Australia discovered a wasp that parasitises the eggs of the beetle. In 1993, these parasitic wasps were introduced to the trees on campus, and the beetles were successfully brought under control. Biologically speaking, it was a questionable practice to introduce a biological control for a species that was introduced in the first place. Normally, biological control is used to protect native species. However, more eucalyptus pests have since been introduced, though none as devastating as the long-horned beetle. People continue to battle the trees by vandalising them, running them over, stomping on seedlings, and injecting herbicides. And as you can see, looking at groves of these trees in California, the native plants do not grow underneath the trees, so there's no understory or habitat there. But despite some people's obvious negative feelings towards them, the university wants to protect and preserve them. Personally, I'm looking forward to seeing some trees from home when I travel to California. I hope a happy balance can be struck between those who want to keep the trees and those who want to get rid of them. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.